everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so if there's any shaking or anything like that, I apologize now. I've done cash budgeting envelope system before. I did it about a year ago when I had first found out that I was pregnant, and my husband and I were like, we need to get our finances in order to prepare for our baby girl coming. And so we did that, but then once she came, it got a lot harder to get to the bank and sit down and write out my budget and everything. So we kind of put it on the back burner, and she's a little bit older now. So I was like, you know what? I think we should get back into it. And, we're heading into summer. It's the first summer where we can actually go out and plan trips. And so I was like, you know what? I was telling my husband, I think I want to try get us back into the cash envelope system. And so that's what we're doing. So I'm doing a combination of cash envelopes and also using our card. A lot of places no longer accept cash, or they ask for exact amount of change. So we're doing half debit card, half credit card, and then some going into our envelopes. So today for cash stuffing, we're going to be doing $225. And right here at the beginning, I just put in the cash into this envelope that I'm going to be using. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 5, 10, 15. So first we'll start with my daughter, and she's going to be getting $25. So 25. Next, this is going to be my envelope, but I'm doing it in the form of the 100 envelope challenge. And I'm going to be getting $20. So I'm gonna open it, and I'll find the little 20 and cross it out. And then this one is also another 100 envelope challenge, and this is going to be the form that I have the savings for my husband, and he is also getting a $20. So honestly, I probably need to get like a little marker or something to be able to see it more clearly that it's been crossed out. But for now, my pen will do. Okay, and then next we have new house items, because we are in the process of moving, and so we're just trying to get, I'm going to be getting $10, and so we're trying to get things ready for the new house. And we already have a lot of stuff like furniture, but there are some new things that we do want to purchase, and more items like for our baby's room and stuff like that. So we're saving up for that. And next we have vacation is going to be getting $70. So 50 and a 20, because it's my daughter's first summer. We are trying to plan more vacations for us to go on. So we added a little bit more into this envelope this week. And then for emergency, it's going to be getting $20. And in here, I have this little placeholder that I made of $500, because we currently have $500 in the bank for emergency. So I just have this as a placeholder, and it will be getting 20. So emergency now has $520. and have a new house. But like I said, we're already moving into a new house right now, so this isn't going to be getting anything. And then debt snowball is not going to be getting anything. That's it for the savings binder. And now we're going to bring out the sinking funds binder. And this one isn't going to get stuffed a lot this time. So we have Lychee, our dog, and he actually just had surgery. So we completely used all the money in his envelope. So currently I'm not going to add anything for him. Gifts, we're not going to add anything. Shopping is going to get $5. And you know, $5, it doesn't seem like a lot, but I think it's important to just try and stuff every envelope, even if you can only put $1. It makes a very big difference in the long run. Date night is going to get $5. And car supplies, or car maintenance pretty much, is going to be getting $50. So that's it for this envelope as well. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a really short video, and I hope to go more in depth in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you're a cash budgeter as well, or how do you like to manage your finances, and what motivates you to manage your finances. So let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.